In Tally Prime, a stock group is a classification or category used to group similar stock items together for better organization and management of inventory. Stock groups help you streamline your inventory management processes and provide a structured way to analyze and report on different types of products. Here is how you can work with stock groups in Tally Prime. Creating a stock group. Times to create a stock group. Navigate to Gateway of Tally Master Stock Groups. Times select Create to create a new stock group. Times enter the name of the stock group, which represents the category or classification of items. Assigning stock items to stock groups. Times once you have created stock groups, you can assign individual stock items to these groups. Times when you create or edit a stock item, you'll have the option to select the appropriate stock group for that item. Times this helps in organizing your inventory and reporting. Substock groups. Times Tally Prime allows you to create subgroups within stock groups. Times this hierarchical arrangement helps you organize items in a more detailed manner. Times, for example, you might have a main stock group electronics and subgroups like mobile phones, laptops, etc. Stock group reports. Times Tally Prime provides various reports related to stock and inventory. Times you can generate reports that show the status of stock items within different stock groups. Times these reports assist in monitoring stock levels, sales, purchases, and more. Analysis and decision making. Times using stock groups, you can analyze the performance of different categories of products. Times this analysis can aid in making informed business decisions. Stock transfers and locations. When transferring stock between different locations or warehouse, stock groups help you manage items efficiently. Inventory valuation. Stock groups are useful in determining the valuation of inventory for accounting purposes. Profit and loss analysis. You can assess the profitability of various stock groups separately, aiding in business strategy.